Welcome to BPTP Gaia Residences, a sanctuary crafted within the city's vibrant pulse. Located in Sector 102, Gurugram, Gaia stands tall as the first ever residential glass facade development on Dwarka Expressway, a bold benchmark in elevated urban living. With direct proximity to IGI Airport Terminal 3 via the new express tunnel and central access to Dwarka, Global City, Aero City, Golf Course Road, and Gaia offers a life of seamless convenience and intuitive mobility. Positioned in a fast-developing infrastructure corridor, Gaia enjoys immediate access to Delhi and Gurugram, with top-rated schools, hospitals, and retail zones just minutes away. From IICC, Dwarka Golf Course, and the new diplomatic enclave to Medanta Hospital and Cyber Hub, this is a location that not only saves time, it multiplies value. Gaia's distinctive glass facade brings panoramic views, radiant natural light, and an architectural elegance that elevates your lifestyle and your investment. Every residence is designed with intentional space planning, open layouts, expansive glazing, generous decks, and seamless transitions between indoors and out. These are homes shaped for how you truly live, comfortably, beautifully, sustainably. Step into over 1.75 lakh square ft of curated amenities, from a Turkish hammam, private theatres, and guest suites, to sports courts, rooftop gardens, Miyawaki forest, and an indoor pool. Gaia offers dedicated zones for well-being, play, reflection, connection, and community. This is a place for every generation, where work, life, and leisure come together with thoughtful balance. Whether it's wellness, education, or social connection, Gaia enhances every dimension of modern living. With over 7.5 million square feet already delivered, BPTP's commitment is reflected in every detail. Zone 5 seismic compliance, 7 lifts per tower, and IGBC Platinum pre-certification ensure both safety and sustainability. Gaia is now open under an exclusive EOI pricing offer at 18,000 rupees, GST Jod PLC Extra. Ahead of the launch price of 20,500 rupees, enjoy a buyer-friendly 30 minutes and 30 hours payment plan. Small diamond 30% across EOI and early stages, small diamond 30% on superstructure completion, small diamond 40% across oak and possession. EOI begins at just 21 lakh rupees, with flexible milestone-based disbursal. BPTP Gaia Residences is not just a new home, it's a new horizon. A place where design meets intention, where location drives growth, and where your story unfolds, elevated, connected, and timeless. Phone connect now at 9,870,374,557 to register your EOI and secure the best price before launch.